Hey everybody, what's going on, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and well, just today we have received the latest CPI Consumer Price Index indicator for the month of December 2022, coming at 6.5%. The previous was 7.1%. That is annual actual, right? And then this one, the forecast was 6.5. That is exactly what we got. When you take a look at the prices, which I want to go ahead and show you, we don't see a huge pump, but we're not seeing a huge dump as well. Basically, the price consolidation, that's what we want. But in all, is this really helping the market? What are other indicators that I think you will help your portfolio go even better? So that's what I want to talk in this video. Go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome back and happy new year to everybody watching. So wow, what a crazy start of the year, because I'm looking at the prices. Let's go ahead and look at it right now. Right here, 11th, right here. Let's go ahead and start zooming out a little bit more. Starting on January 1st, now I think you see the whole big picture. We've just been coming up and up and up. That's the story so far in 2023. I like it personally. You know, we've been talking for a while, and you've been hearing a lot on this channel how long-term wins the game, not only for ClearCryptos as a company, which you're going to see a lot of big news coming up pretty soon, but on this one, guys, eventually the prices stop dumping, and the time for a new wave of new entrepreneurs and investors is coming back. And it's 2023, that rescue year. Well, in my opinion, that could be too early. 2024 to me seems to be a better year to get those kicks and the trades of our lifetime, but we still got a great opportunity at the prices we have. Okay, going back to the CPI, we are seeing the price dump in the 1 hour roughly at the time that it was announced, 8:30 a.m. here Central Time. Then started to pump once again. Remember, we've received a 9.1 back in June 2022, and then we went down to 8 for 3 months, then 2 months at 7%, and this is our first month at 6% in 6.5. It means that we are heading lower, and 2% is where Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, wants to be. And I believe it's going to happen eventually. Remember, core CPI, that's another metric. It actually, I believe, stayed closely in the average that they were also forecasting. They didn't move lower a lot. So there are similarities when it comes to this CPI, the core CPI, core inflation. But in all, I think we're seeing that inflation in the supermarket, it's still heavy. We still see the X very high. But according to the market, in all, the economy is shrinking a little bit. The economy is cooling off, and that helps investors. Since the dollar goes down, Bitcoin and stock prices go up. So far, guys, this is a great start for 2023. I want to see this continue, but do expect maybe a retracement along the way, because it might be ahead, since after the last 12 days we've been rising and rising and rising with a slowly small retracements along the way. But I will be open to the idea that if we get another high 16,000 dump, a great crash, mini crash, then we can continue going back up. We'll see what whales are gonna do. But thank you for watching, everybody. Great news today. CPI 6.5. If it continues, and the next one for January 2022 comes at anything at 5%, we did it, and that's gonna be massive, and I think we're gonna go to the moon. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.